In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot Outlook plugin. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the add-in inside HubSpot, start the installation, and smoothly work through the prompts so the plugin is ready to go in Outlook. This plugin helps you track emails, log activity to your CRM, and save time right from your inbox, so getting it set up correctly is worth a few careful clicks. First, log into your HubSpot account. Make sure you're signed in with the account you actually use for your contacts and deals, and if possible, an account that has permission to install apps. Having the correct access will help you avoid permission roadblocks during installation. Once you're in, let the dashboard fully load before moving on. Next, look toward the top navigation bar and click the Marketplace button. Depending on your layout, it may appear as App Marketplace with a small store icon. If you don't immediately see it, expand your navigation or hover over the toolbar until the icon appears. Clicking that button takes you into HubSpot's Marketplace, where integrations and add-ins are organized and searchable. Inside the Marketplace, you'll find a search bar near the top. Click in the search bar and type Outlook. Give it a second to load the results. You should see HubSpot's Outlook add-in show up. Look for the official HubSpot listing so you know you're getting the supported plugin. Open the listing to review the overview and what permissions it needs, which can help you understand how it connects to your inbox and tracks activity. When you're ready, click Install. This begins the setup. You may see a confirmation dialog or a short checklist. Approve the permissions as prompted so HubSpot can integrate with your Outlook environment. Keep an eye on any notes about user level versus account level installation, as your organization's preferences may determine which option you choose. Finally, follow the on-screen instructions. These can include signing into your Microsoft account, granting consent for Outlook to connect with HubSpot, and confirming settings like email tracking and logging defaults. The exact sequence may vary slightly based on your Outlook version and your admin settings. Read each prompt carefully and wait for any progress spinners to complete before clicking Next. If a step mentions admin approval, you may need to request it from your organization before proceeding. When the installer confirms success, you're all set. The plugin is now connected and ready for your Outlook environment. That's it. Log into HubSpot, open the Marketplace, search for Outlook, click Install, and follow the prompts. Thanks for watching and enjoy a smoother, smarter inbox with HubSpot.